today we're going to be making some expanding snow, and this is a really fun experiment to do at home. I have this white powder in here. This is sodium polyacrylate. This comes from diapers actually, and it's a little bit tedious to get out of the diaper, but if you grab my experiment guide below, I have some specific instructions on the best way to get it out of a diaper. And you can see here that I am pouring water in it, and it just keeps absorbing the water. And I think I even need to refill my cup here so that I can pour even more in. And sodium polyacrylate is a very cool molecule. It's this polymer with a curly structure. And what happens when you add water is that the sodium goes into the water, and the water molecules kind of go into the curly bits of the polyacrylate, and it expands and expands, and it can actually hold 300 times its weight in water. And it's safe to touch. Obviously don't eat it, but it's a lot of fun. Try it at home. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, keep discovering.